Yeah, good afternoon, Akshay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, myself, Meenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an introduction about yourself, Akshay.
My name is Akshay. I am from Bagalkot. Passed from 2019 batch. Then after I worked in a company consultancy firm called Brick Arch. Then I came to know about CMTI. So that to gain more knowledge in construction field, I joined CMTI.
Okay, so how do you come to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, one of my friends suggested me to join.
So you have preferred advanced construction management course, no? So what
Yeah,
are the things you have learned in it? You can brief out.
to start with, I learned construction about the construction materials and site execution procedures and about interiors and how to do work in construction and as well as on interior fields and visited some of the site construction sites, learned from there itself about how to place enforcement and how they are going to make concreting works, and that's about.
Okay. So
Um,
yeah, you went for the site visit all, no? How was the
yeah,
site experience? So because from your college studies, this would have been different, right? So you would be
yeah.
learning theoretical or something. How was the difference? So what are the experience you have learned in it?
There was a huge difference from, but in college we have visited small sites, but here we have visited apartments, some exhibition centers, so that there are so many works were going on. So there was an opportunity to learn more things in the site, and Redappa sir explained very briefly, very things were very understandable, and we gain more knowledge in the states.
Okay. So how was our CMTI trainers? Are you was comfortable with them?
Yeah, ma'am, surely comfortable. Gain more knowledge in CMTI as trainers were very well helpful me to gain more about knowledge and as well as about placements. They guided me very well, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yeah,
yeah,
Ashok.
yeah. How did you crack the interview? So how many rounds were there? So how did the CMTI they have guided you for the interview?
My interview was about only one round. That is in a interior field. It is they asked more about technical questions in the interior field.
Yeah. So how was about our CMTA app, right? So how was our CMTA app while using?
It's a good app. It's like a backup app, ma'am. So if we miss any classes, so that we can read about things, ma'am, and it's helpful, ma'am. Even
Okay.
for softwares also, it will help, ma'am. Yeah.
So how was our CMTA staff's entire coordination? So did they guide you well or how did they treat you?
Yeah, ma'am. They have guided me very well. Instead, means before coming to CMD, I didn't know much about the outside field. Yeah, ma'am. Once I joined, means joined it, ma'am. Means, Ashok sir and Shweta ma'am, all the staffs will help me to gain more about how the things were going on the outside field.
Okay. So would you like to refer CMTI to your friends, Akshay?
Yeah, ma'am, sure, ma'am. So since they are in the fresher, they are going to have some of the great opportunity to learn about the outside the things. I mean, about construction. So once they join, means they can learn more about the construction field.
Yeah. So yeah, what is Akshay's point of view for upcoming juniors or who want to pursue the CACM course? What do you want to tell Akshay?
I would tell them to join the CMTI so that they can increase their knowledge and interview cracking things, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Akshay, for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.